Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Another blessed day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Today is a beautiful day. And if you woke up, you should be blessed. I'm Ponder Hunter from Jessup, Georgia, a small country town in the South. I'm the voice behind these videos on this platform that you all are viewing daily. I'm a content creator. I've been content creating for years now. I got monetized on Facebook without even noticing by getting up, showing up each day for myself. In the meantime, I was just doing something, just making content, not realizing that I was transforming from the person that I am to a better version of myself. This content creation journey has not been easy. You have its ups and downs, but it varies. I'm on here today to tell y'all, if you have a dream and you're on a journey, to keep going. You gotta show up daily for yourself. You gotta get up and move and make things happen. You gotta find out what it is that you wanna do to keep creating. Your goals, whatever it is that you wanna set your goal for, and whatever your niche is, to get the people's attention. I'm learning that content creation is not easy, but it's worth it. So if you're on that journey, never give up. Give it your all. You gotta get up every day and show up. I don't care if you don't get no likes. People watch what they wanna watch, and they listen to what they wanna listen to. And in this world, sometimes it depends on who the person is that they're listening to, that they want to support. So if you are a content creator, you got to get up, show up daily, and make a video like I'm making, to show that you are here on this journey for a reason, and you're going to keep going. So don't let nobody take your spirit down to where you want to give up and not keep going. There is a reason that you started this journey in the first place. So you got to keep going and finish what you started. Life is beautiful. Look at all this beautiful nature. This how it's looking in my city. It's kind of pretty out here, and it don't feel too bad. It feels kind of good. You gotta get out in nature and stay grounded. Pray. Keep your spirits up. Y'all, it just feels so beautiful out here. It feels so good, and it looks so beautiful. This my kind of weather. Get up, show up for yourself, and don't give up. Content creation is not an easy journey, but it's worth it. It's all worth it in the end. Gotta do what you gotta do. especially if you're not trying to be working a 9 to 5 for the rest of your life. Gotta get up, do something productive. Get up, get your ideas and your thoughts together. And figure out what you want to do in life. I'm still growing, learning every day, and elevating. There's still some things I'm learning about content creation, but I get there. I started out as a digital creator. In between, I'll be telling my stories. In between my photos, my videos, and the things that I post. So, y'all get into this good nature. Look at these trees growing. The wind is blowing. It just feels so good out here. Get into this nature vibe. Yes. Stepping out in nature, it calms the mind and the soul. And sometimes this is what we need. We need to come outside, walk around the house, pray, get some fresh air, breathe a little bit, just enjoy the outside. Yes, life is beautiful. Yes, nature reminds us of how much God loves us. God's love is unconditional. His love is unwavering. No one can compare to that. So with God's love, know that with God, all things are possible. So keep God ahead of your life and continue on your journey. And if this video reached you today, thank you for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.